If you could change anything, what you did, how you did it, would you do anything different? Dobar dan, dan 3, tako lepo reputacijo v Pulcah. Dan 3 našega Continental Tire Performance Road Tripa. Danes ostanemo v LA-ju, zato ker pravijo, da tukaj nekje so unija, veš, West Coast Customs. Ja, se veš, kje so to, ne? Come on, stari. Ok, gremo pogledati.
Čekaj ti materna error kartica.
Zdaj pa, če te zanima, zakaj smo danes pri West Coast Customs, a imajo tudi oni kakšno povezavo s Continentalom? Ja, tudi pri njih je Continental, načeloma pri praktično vseh avtomobilih, ki jih predelajo, ta glavno premljevalc. Gum. A pa pri tem vlogu sem eno stvar čist pozabil povedati, ne? Če že govorimo o sinergiji West Coast Customs pa Continental. A veš, te norci so za Continental porihtali en tovornjak skupaj s korveto. Brez veze, da kompliciram, poglej sliko. Dobro, ne? Ok, zdaj gremo pa naprej.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
Liberty One, Ferrari, kupenih drugih zanimivih avtov, Rollsi, Range, vse živo, ampak mene najbolj zanima tiste del tamle. Tam, kjer se stvari dogajajo, zgodijo, tam, kjer se rojevajo avtomobili, ki pol postanejo znani po celemu svetu. Se menda veš, da West Coast Customs rihtajo avtomobile tudi za precej znane ljudi. Med rednimi strankami so recimo Shaquille O'Neal, pa Kardashianove. Evo jih, le jih mojstre, vidiš?
It belongs to the boyfriend of somebody very famous. He's famous too. Does anybody know who it is? I'll give you a hint. Baseball.
Jennifer Lopez.
Very good. It's A-Rod's Jeep. Very good.
Pol pa, ko prideš do želja posameznikov, ki so pripravljeni plačati velikih dinarčkov za to, da dobijo točno to, kar hočejo, se zgodijo tudi dosti nenavadne stvari. Recimo Rolls Royce Golf Kart. Starje, se ti zajebavaš. A drugače ti je ta karoserija, ki je znana, veš, kam bi poslala? Če nisi fan ameriških superkarov, pa boš verjetno bolj težko ugotovil. Tole je Celine S7, legendarna avto. Se spomniš filma Bruce Almighty, Jim Carrey? Je bila gužva na cesti, pa je malo začaral, pa so vsi avti umaknili. On se je pa pol min gužva odpeljal s tem avtom, Celine S7. Pa ko že govorimo o avtomobilih, ki so tako ali pa drugače znani, prepoznavni, mogoče celo slavni, vidiš, kaj piše tukaj? Kylie. Evo, jaz sem mislil, da sem našel svojega favorita, glede na količino športnih avtov, mogoče malo nepričakovan. Ampak tale oldtimer, Ford Bronco, kakšen lepotec. If you could change anything, what you did, how you did it, would you do anything different?
Let's see. Honestly, no. Because, like, as much as I wish I started with a lot more money or, you know, did things differently, I think I probably wouldn't be in the position I'm in today. Just as it makes you work harder, you know, not having everything in the beginning and trying to, like, really value what you have today opposed to, like, what I had when I started. I think it really helps your mindset. So I wouldn't change anything, really. Yeah, it's still the same. And I think that's the difference is like, because I didn't start with a bunch of money and I don't have a rich family and it's like, we still have to survive no matter what. So it's the same fight that we had in the beginning. We still fight it today. So that's what makes me humble and like hungry at the same time. Probably, I mean, my first project and my first client really that changed everything was Shaq for sure.
Okay.
Because he really pushed us to do things that weren't done before. So he challenged us, and it really made us work harder and try to figure things out that nobody's ever done before. And that's what really put us on that level of we do things that, you know, other people are scared of, really.
And the car was?
I'm trying to think what that car was. I think it was like a Ferrari. He had me cut the roof off of, which I've never even worked on a Ferrari back then. So it was like, let's just cut the roof off of a, you know, at that time, probably $100,000 car. They're okay. No, yeah, we love them. I mean, they've supported us for the last 13 years.
12.
Yeah, 12, 13 years. So it's always a great relationship. You know, I definitely am looking forward to going to the plant soon because I really want to see how these tires are made. I mean, what's changed is the lack of talent.
Like talent.
Yeah, people.
But you have tools now.
The young, yeah, tools are great, but I tell my guys in the back is like we used to build better cars when we had no tools. So it's like that doesn't really. It's really the passion and the workers. It's just it's a tough industry right now because none of the younger generation wants to work with their hands. So we have a lot of older talent that ends up retiring, dies, whatever ends up happening, and the industry's hurting. So it's definitely something we're looking at in the future to build some kind of education piece to this brand too.
Evo ga, šebele. Baci. Nismo loši.